Welcome back to Face the Nation. The question we are raising, is it time for LK Advani to retire from public life? Is he part of the problem and not a part of the solution anymore? Carry on with your voting. We'll carry on with that discussion. You were telling me in the break that it is very tragic that LK Advani, who made that statement on Jinnah in 2005, who's associated with a nuanced line of trying to make the BJP independent from the Sangh,
yeah, that's
as
right.
you wrote, has now go back to the Sangh
and
he has to
go to the Sangh and get his legitimacy from the Sangh. Because if he had wanted, that's where I think he has really erred. If he had wanted and if he had retired gracefully and then led this movement away from the Sangh, maybe it would have had greater authority. But now, because he
is very interesting. By being there, Advani is allowing the Sangh to take over. Jhandewala is taking over the BJP because of LK Advani.
Look, there is a strong argument for the Sangh not having a day-to-day role in running the party, and frankly, the Sangh doesn't want to run the party.
But they're having a role.
No,
they're saying that, but they're saying the president has to come from.
They are
he doesn't want to run it on day-to-day basis.
In this country, it's not just Mohan Bhagwat, but even you can say, I can say, anybody can say that we want a younger person as the president of the party. Even a person who doesn't have anything to do with BJP can say
it's not my core competency.
50% of the population of this country, if it is youth, and this 50% of the population of the youth who doesn't belong either to the RSS or the BJP can say it.
But all the leaders are making a beeline to the Sangh.
You know, the mainline opposition party of my country, which ruled my country for 6 years, and which did not give this kind of treatment to Mr. Vajpayee after the defeat in 2004 elections. And I disagree with my friend when she says that Mr. Advani was trying to chalk out a different line. No, he was trying to become a letter-day Vajpayee. He was trying to become a letter-day Vajpayee who would have sought for himself a letter-day Advani. Because that was the combination which worked perfectly for the BJP.
But have you... No, let me come in. I'll tell you, when RSS made him resign in Chennai, his resignation letter...
Sudarshan was the Sarsang Chalak at that time, and he met Sudarshan today.
He said, you jolly well keep out of the affairs of the BJP. Your job is to be a moral, spiritual
I completely agree with her.
And this is what he said.
Yeah,
but he's capitulated. But now he's capitulated.
I agree, but 1 minute. Jinnah was not the issue. Jinnah could not be the issue on which BJP takes on the RSS or says, this is your Lakshman Rekha.
No, but
on Jinnah, nobody agreed. I'd like to quote the late Pramod Mahajan, who in his last TV interview said 99.9% of people in the BJP don't agree with this formulation on Jinnah.
I want a different point to make.
But we're looking at the loss of the BJP. We're looking at a kind of destruction of the BJP.
I'm worried by the gains of the RSS.
You're saying,
not
exactly.
The loss of BJP.
Loss of BJP, gains of RSS.
I am worried that I am going to lose the principal opposition to the RSS. It will get subsumed into its identity. It's a serious question. RSS has never contested an election. I do not know what is the election process. How Mr. Mohanji Bhagwat, please let me finish now. How Mr. Mohanji Bhagwat has come to become his...
We are running out of time also.
No, it's not a question of running.
We are not discussing RSS.
No,
and if you want the democratic credentials of the RSS, it was RSS.
We have to discuss the RSS.
If you want the democratic credentials of the RSS, two things. One, we hold very frequent elections. Very regularly, the Saras Sangha Chalak...
You hold frequent or regular elections?
Regular elections. Saras Sangha Chalak, the RSS is nominated, but Sarak Kareva, who is the head of the RSS, virtually by its constitution, is elected. Number one. Number two, it was RSS which was in the forefront of the fight against democracy during emergency. RSS was banned.
The BJP is dual membership question. The Janasangh dual membership. In 1979, a government fell on account of the relationship of the Janasangh members with the RSS.
Right, exactly.
Do we want a repeat of that? And what is the position? And what is going to be the status of a BJP which is so much dependent on the RSS in coalition politics? I am worried.
It is the prerogative of the BJP to approach either RSS or they can go to the Communist Party tomorrow.
But the BJP seems to be dying.
It is not dying.
It looks like that. It seems to be a complete
I repeat the word
organization of the Sangh now.
The BJP had two members. The BJP had two members in parliament.
Who's robust?
The BJP had 2 members in the parliament.
Today it's
Right.
robust.
Today it's robust, but the thing is that at what price will the BJP pay in order to remain alive?
The
Mr.
BJP
Modi
had
is
2
not
members
standing
in the
for
parliament, and from that the
Mr.
BJP
Advani
became the ruling.
But look at what
That was
happened in
thanks
this
to Mr.
election.
L.K. Advani and not thanks to the RSS.
No, we don't want RSS is not
Okay.
claiming the credit. We
Mr.
want
Chari,
to give the
Mr.
credit
Chari.
to L.K. Advani, whom now today we think should go.
Okay, Mr. Chari, look
The
at what
man who
happened
built up
in
this party, we want that man to be here and also resurrect the party, which he will do. Whether he remains the leader of opposition or not,
But
is
as Ashok is
immaterial.
saying, he exemplifies a different kind of BJP. It's the BJP of beleaguered victimhood of the 80s and 90s. The Hindu has moved on. The Hindu
exemplifies-
is no longer victimized. The Hindu is no longer
No,
angry.
no,
the
it
Hindu
is
is
not
no longer
that.
worried
It is
about
not that.
Shabano. The Hindu is different. So he exemplifies something.
He
so
has
he
to look
he
at
has
it.
to go
You have
in
to
order
believe
for the
BJP
party
for
to
the
be
2020s.
And
And maybe the
2020.
younger generation.
We feel
And
it is not an
you want to build
individual.
the
It
BJP
is
of
not an
2020s
individual.
on the prescription of Mr. Mohan Bhagwat. You know, amazing stuff.
that's
what
very
are
unfair.
you
That
saying?
is not a different issue.
What is the
That's
ideology?
happening.
What is
All
the
he said
RSS
is that
ideology?
totally different
All he
What is
said
the
is
ideology?
choose somebody
Whether-
younger to build the party.
No, what is the
Whether-
ideology?
whether
No, I want
you
to
want
know.
to build the
I want to
party-
know from Mr. Chari and from my friend on the left that what is the ideology? What is the ideology on which the RSS wants the BJP to style itself? Have they adumbrated on that? Have they told the people of this country? You are trying to foist an ideology. You are trying to give a personality transplant to BJP
So is
without
it-
any
okay.
popular mandate.
Right, and
If
I
you
want
are
to come
going
back to
permit
Advani.
me-
Is
if you are going to
Advani
permit me
responsible for this?
uninterrupted 10 minutes.
No,
I
we
can
can't have
speak
10 minutes
about-
at all.
Yes.
Not at
Otherwise,
all.
don't
No,
issue.
the end of
Don't
the
raise those
conversation.
issues.
But you
We
look
will
at the
not be
answered.
If you
I
look
think
at the
it's only 3
2009
words.
election, if you look at the 2009 election, what happened? The BJP was reduced to a rump. It had some 8 allies, where it had 22. And this happened because all the alliance partners realized the Muslim vote was very important. And as long as they were with the BJP, they were
Right.
not going to get the Muslim vote. And now if you are going to go more and more into the embrace of the RSS, then what happens? How do they carry on with their alliance politics?
That's a very good point, I think, to end the discussion on. How is the BJP going to reinvent itself for the 2020s? And is Advani the man who can do it? If he isn't, and if he's only making the BJP go more into the arms of the Sangh Parivar, then is it time for Advani to perhaps say that for the party's survival, I have to step back? Is it time for LK Advani to retire from public life? What are you telling us at the start of the 87%? That figure has gone up through the discussion. You've convinced our SMS audience. Mr. Chari has been fighting a losing battle. Thanks very much indeed for watching Face the Nation. Ashok Malik, Vinod Sharma, Shashadri Chari, Vidya Subramanian. Thanks very much indeed for joining us. Thanks for watching.